Hello, let's build your first AI agent with Google ADK and any open source large language model. First of all, if you haven't installed the Google ADK yet, go ahead and do that first. Once that's done, inside this folder, create the init.py and import the agent. Import the agent and light LLM classes. Create the root agent object with these parameters, a unique name, and the model, which is light LLM object. Given the model in this format, this is the provider and this is the model name. Instruction, which is very important to create a special AI agent. If I do ls here, you see I create these two AI agents before. Let's copy this link. Select your agent and let's type. As you can see, this is a large language model reply. So this is a simple agent. You can add tools, use sub agents and more. In this video, I use this model and you can use any other open source models. Just change the name here. Thanks for watching.